Hello everyone, back again with another video in this series in which we are making notes app. In this video we will apply the navigation of these both screens, the main screen which shows note listing and the add note screen which allow users to add new note. So now we will complete the navigation of these and implement the add new note feature. So for that, first of all, we need a Compose navigation library which we need to add in our project. So here we need to add this Compose navigation library. You can also find this link in the video description below. Two 2.7.7. Okay, so after syncing the project, we go to our main activity, and here we need to define those routes. So first of all, remove use navigation here. Actually the nav host. And in this we need to pass the nav controller. Pass the nav controller here, and next in here we need to pass the screens which we want to show. Actually I need to use by here, and no, I think there is something which I am missing. Let's see the documentation. And okay, we have nav host which have start route, start destination. It should be home, and the next is composable. Our composable is home, and here we define our home screen. So I will cut this from here, paste it in here, and next is home screen. Okay, and the next is whenever user tap on this button we want user navigate to this screen. So for that we will go to our home screen, create a function here, navigate next, which contains a route, and when user tap on this fab button, then we want to add a new note, but in our case there is a way in the previous tutorial for the add note screen we have done that we want to show send some events from the view model to UI. So for that we use a shared view model and a shield class to send all our events from UI to view model to UI. But in this case, for simplicity, as we are able to access this navigate next button here, so we will do this here, and we will refactor it later when the functionality of our app is complete. So navigate, first of all we need route, which is add node. So first of all, actually this is not a good approach that I am hard coding this route at each step. So for that I can use a constant file object class routes, which contains different route. Add node, and this is the better approach. There is another better approach, but currently at this stage we are using this approach. So in this, what we will do is we will always use this routes string home, and here as well, and second one is here. This should be capital. Okay, so the next is from the home screen, when user tap on Fab button, we want user to navigate to add node screen, and pass this in navigate next, use unit here, and now we will go back to the main activity. And actually here if we type Control B, then it will show the usage of this home screen wherever we have used it. So we will go to the main activity, and in here navigate next. Here we have nav controller, navigate and give the route here. We have the route here. Okay, so let's run it and see the effect of on the physical device. We are seeing some error in here, so this would be in the preview. Okay, and let's run it and see the effect on the physical device. Okay, so our app is up and running. So if we tap on this Fab button, then we are navigated to our this screen, and our logic is whenever we type any note here and press back icon, then that note will be saved and the user will be navigated to home screen. Okay, so this is it for today's video. In this video we have implemented navigation and how user can navigate between the two screens. So see you next time. Bye.